Hello, good morning, student. Dear student, today I am going to teach you remaining part of this lesson, deep water. Thus, piece by piece, he built a swimmer, and when he had perfected each piece, he put them together into integrated whole. In April, he said, "Now you can swim, dive off and swim the length of the pool, crawl, stop." विलियम डगलस is saying that दस मिस इस प्रकार से पीस बाय पीस एक एक चीज वन बाय वन थिंग द इंस्ट्रक्टर बिल्ट अ स्विमर इंस्ट्रक्टर taught me how to swim and the instructor taught William Douglas how to swim, and when the instructor had perfected each piece, when instructor had taught everything about the swimming, he put them together into integrated whole. It means when instructor done his work completely, he taught William Douglas how to swim in every way. In April, the instructor said, "Now you can swim, dive off, and swim the length of the pool." And instructor told William Douglas, now he can swim, dive off, and swim the length of the pool. Crawl means रेंगते हुए, कूदते हुए. In every stroke, he can. It means William Douglas can swim so well. I did, and I swam according to instruction of instructor. The instructor was finished. It means the work of the instructor was finished, but I was not finished. William Douglas is saying that the work of instructor was finished. It means the instructor said that my work is finished, but William Douglas is saying that I was not finished. It means the instructor work is finished, but the writer was not satisfied. अभी भी still the writer William Douglas was not satisfied. He was not finished. He still wondered if he would be terror stricken when he was alone in the pool. I still wonder. The writer William Douglas still wondered if he would terror stricken when he was alone in the pool. He was thinking in his mind. William Douglas was thinking in his mind when he will go to the pool alone means akela. That terror was stricken him. That terror was all again seized him. वो डर उसको फिर जकड़ लेगा क्या? I tried in some the length of. I tried. The William Douglas tried some the length up and down. Tiny vestiges of the old terror would return, but the old terror would return with him. But now I could frown and say, but William Douglas could frown and say to the terror, trying to scare me is well. ट्राइंग प्रयास कर रहा था कह रहे वो डर मुझे डराने का. बट वेल हियर इज टू यू. I told William Douglas saying that he told the terror, here is you to you, look, and off I would go for another length of the pool. When that terror seized me again, I told Miss William Douglas, told the terror, told the fear, here is to you, and he swim is second form. He swam and went and reached another length of the pool. और ऐसा बोल करके पानी में इस एक तरफ से और दूसरे छोर तक विलियम डगलस पहुंच गए. इट मीन्स he was trying his best to remove the fear from his heart, from his mind. He wanted to remove the fear, remove the terror from his mind, from his heart. This went on until July. William Douglas is saying that this situation, this condition went on until July, but I was still not satisfied. William Douglas was doing practice regularly until July, but he was not satisfied now. He was not sure that all the terror had left. William Douglas was not sure that he had left all the terror. So William Douglas went to the lake. एक झील में गया वो. William Douglas कहाँ गए? एक झील में गए. Went what in the new hemisphere. Dive off मीन्स उसमें उसने छलांग मारी, कूद मारी ऑफ अ डॉग एट ट्रिग्स आइलैंड, नाम दिया हुआ इसमें ट्रिग्स आइलैंड, एंड सम 2 miles अक्रॉस द लेक, और झील में उसने कम से कम 2 मील तक तैरता रहा टू स्टैम्प एट आइलैंड. I swam the crawl. William Douglas is saying that he swam the crawl. Crawl means laying the way. Breaststroke दिया and side stroke, breaststroke and back stroke. उल्टे लेट करके कह रहा है कि साइड स्ट्रोक, साइड से लेट करके बैक स्ट्रोक. Only once did the terror return. Only one time the terror seized him when William Douglas is saying that when he was in the middle of the lake, the terror one time returned to him. I put my face under and saw nothing but bottomless sea. William Douglas is saying that he put his face under the water and saw nothing but the bottomless water only. Nothing but bottomless water. William Douglas is saying that he did not see anything. He did not. He put his face under the water and saw nothing but bottomless water. The old sensation returned in miniature. William Douglas is saying that he felt old. He felt the sensation of old terror. The old sensation returned in his heart. He laughed. William Douglas laughed and said, "Well, Mr. Terror, what do you think you can do to me?" It means William Douglas is said to the Terror, "What do you think? आप क्या सोचते हैं? You can do to me means you can fear to me." Fear means डराना. Fear means डरना. कि you can now terror to me. Terror का मतलब होता है डरना. Do to me. It fled and swam on. When William Douglas told the terror, "You think you can do to me?" then it fled. It means the terror, the sensation fled means भाग गया, चला गया from the heart of William Douglas, and William Douglas swam on. Swam on से तैरता चला गया. Yet I had residual doubts. Yet फिर भी William Douglas had residual doubts. Doubts means कुछ संदेह फिर भी झील में तैरने के बाद भी, after swimming in the lake, William Douglas had residual doubts. At his first opportunity, he hurried west, went up the Titan to Central Meadows. William Douglas hurried west, went up to Titan to Central. देखो Titan to Conrad Meadows. Meadows, the meaning of grasslands. Up the Conrad Creek trails to Mead Glacier and camped in the high meadows by the side of a warm lake. William Douglas went to high meadows. वो मिडो ग्लेशियर जो बड़े बड़े सी ग्लेशियर होते हैं, आइस ग्लेशियर होते हैं, एंड माउंटेन्स होते हैं, एंड देयर आर सो मेनी मिडोज मीन्स ग्रासलैंड्स, जो घास के बड़े बड़े मैदान होते हैं. वहाँ की बात कौन कर रहा है? विलियम डगलस कर रहा है. और क्या कह रहा है कि जब उसको व्हेन विलियम डगलस वाज नॉट सेटिस्फाइड, वो संतुष्ट नहीं थे. झील में तैरने के बाद भी विलियम डगलस वॉज नॉट सेटिस्फाइड, वो संतुष्ट नहीं हुए। और उसके बाद उन्होंने कौन सी जगह चुनी, तो कोशिश कह रहे कि वो कौन सी जगह, वर्ड दिया है इसमें, किस तरीके से उन्होंने कोशिश की। क्रॉल का मतलब रेंगने की। वर्ड आया कॉन्ट्रैड ग्रीक ट्रेल्स टू मेड ग्लेशियर एंड कैंप्ड इन द हाई meadows by the side of warm lake। वार्म लेक में होता है गर्म, जो पानी की झील है उसको कहते हैं वार्म लेक। और जो ये वर्ड आया ट्रेल्स, वर्ड दिया है यहाँ पे, जो ट्रेल वर्ड दिया है TRAI है, ट्रेल टू मीट, इसका मतलब, इसका जो मीनिंग है पाथ ऑन हिल्स, जो हिल्स मीन्स पहाड़ी पे चढ़ने के जो रास्ते, वहाँ पर जा कर के ये वहाँ पे चढ़ कर के कहाँ पहुँचे, गर्म पानी की झील में पहुँचे। और द नेक्स्ट मॉर्निंग, दूसरे दिन जब पहले दिन वहाँ पहुँच गए, आई स्टेप्ड डाइव्ड इनटू द लेक, और मैंने अपने आप को डाइव मीन्स कूद मारी, कूदा मैं उस गर्म पानी की लेक में, झील में। विलियम डगलस dived into the warm lake and swam across to the other shore and back. William Douglas swam the whole lake across one side to another side and back also in her own side, just as dogs corporon used to do. He is just giving the answer, just as डॉग कॉर्परॉन यूज टू, जैसे डॉग कॉर्परॉन किया करते थे। आई शुड विद जॉय, विलियम डगलस साउटेड, आई साउटेड विद जॉय, विलियम डगलस साउटेड मीन्स चिल्लाया, विद जॉय मीन्स बड़े आनंद से। एंड गिलबर्ट पीक कह रहा है रिटर्न द को, आई हैड कंक्वर्ड माई फियर ऑफ वाटर। इट मीन्स एट लास्ट विलियम डगलस फेल्ट दैट he had conquered his fear of water. He shouted with joy. He shouted with joy, and also said that Gilbert Peak returned to the coast. He had conquered his fear of water. This means वो बड़ी खुशी से चिल्लाया, और अब वो कह रहा है कि उसने पानी पे क्या कर ली, विजय प्राप्त कर ली है। The experience had a deep meaning for me. William Douglas is saying that the experience had a deep meaning for me. It means the experience had deep meaning for William Douglas, as only those who have known those means who have known stark terror and conquered it, केवल वही जो इस प्रकार के डर को जानते हैं उस पर विजय प्राप्त करते हैं। ये अनुभव किसको हुआ, विलियम डगलस को हुआ। इट कैन अप्रिशिएट इन डेथ देयर इज अ पीस, देयर इज टेरर ओनली इन द फियर ऑफ डेथ, एज रोजवेल्ट न्यू व्हेन ही सेड ऑल वी हैव टू फियर इज फियर इटसेल्फ, बिकॉज ही हैड experienced both the sensation of dying and the terror that fear of it can produce. The will to live somehow grew in intensity. At last I felt released, free to walk the trails and climb the peaks and to brush aside fear. William Douglas is saying that at last he had removed the fear from his heart. He felt released. He felt he had released the fear from his heart. Free to walk the rails. William Douglas free walk to the hill paths. Trails means hill paths and climbing the peaks. Peaks में चोटियों पे उसने क्या climb चढ़ गया, and to brush aside fear. To brush aside fear means he ignored the fears, and he dived on the warm lake, and he swam across the whole warm lake, one side to another side, one shore to another shore, and also came back another shore to his own shore. And in this way. He has got the great experience in his life, and he conquered means he had conquered his fear of water. और इस तरीके से विलियम डगलस ने जो पानी का उसका डर था, जो फोबिया था, वाटर फोबिया था, उसको जो उसको जकड़ लेता था, सेंसेशन होती थी, वो डर आ जाता था, उस पे इसने अपने प्रैक्टिस के बल पे, और ही हैड a great resolution, he had great determination and to learn how to swim. सीखने की तीव्र इच्छा, इंटेंस, जिसका इंटेंस इंटरेस्ट, उसका रुचि थी। वो चाहता था कि मुझे, विलियम डगलस वो चाहते थे कि मुझे क्या करना है, तैरना सीखना है। तो कई बाधाओं के आने के बावजूद भी उन्होंने इसको तैरना सीखा। और इसका एक जो मॉरल हमको जाता है कि वी शुड टेक अ ग्रेट रेजोल्यूशन इन आवर लाइफ टू अचीव आवर टारगेट। थैंक यू।